你别治啊！
Let me hear a meow.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow.爱爱的回前有期待，花开又花谢，是你忽隐又忽。Super Idol 的笑容都没你的甜，8月正午的阳光都没你耀眼，热爱105度的你，滴滴青春的蒸馏水。
Oh God. Guys, stop. Just kidding. Get him! Get him!
Pretty girl. Yeah.
What the hell?
Thank you. All right, move all the way.
Y'all, look at my cat's path. See the little squiggle?
I owed him up.
男生，我就搞不懂了，这个楼是有多么的好玩啊啊，是有多好？你过来，你把脸给我伸过来，过来，男生。
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room.
Go get it. Go get it.
Honey, it's okay.
Get it, get it. Catch it.
Come here, Pep.
Pricks! Hey! Oh, you scared me, Jesus!
All right, okay, okay.
Do it.
Oh my god. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah!
No, you jumped over these double big.
No vas a atar.
Percy. There he is. Woo, woo, woo! I got that one.
Run.
Are you scared? You don't seem scared.
Treats? You guys want your treats?
No.
Oh my god! Stop it!
Hi, babies.
fight. Stop fight. Stop. Stop. No, no. Listen. Somebody once told me the Le Sapola vince Pirlo, ancora Pirlo di tetto, What the hell was that?
Makes a big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Don't even go talk about it.
Oh shit. Ready, boy?
Wee.
Dum dum
Wee.
dum dum
Wee.
dum dum
Wee. One more time. Wee. 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 One more time. Wee.
I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together.
Shit.
Christ, leaking. That isn't a stick.
Let go. Wait! Let go.
Okay, take
Wrigley.
On the way to the vet right now, but whoever bumped my dog upside the head with a cartoon hammer, I will find you.
Giving my dog sparkling water to see his reaction.
Why is it spicy?
Kai.
No.
Come.
No.
love you. I love you.
That was a good
I
one.
love you.
hands.
Ding dong.
Now go. Yeah.
Move your nose.
Excuse me.
Can you hold on?
What did you just say?
I love you.
Really?
Okay, off my porch. You got to go.
Oh yeah, I love that. Oh God damn it! Jesus, Frank. Fuck you, Jimmy.
Swear to God, if she does that, oh, hell no! Back oh! This looks like some pretty good. Hey, what are you doing, Frank? Hey, how's it going, Jim? What are you don't? No, I'm just checking out. Don't the landscape. Don't you sit on me? No. There we go. God damn it!
Unbelievable. You see what I have to deal with,
Help me.
All right, Johnny, let's try this one more time. All right, so I got you here. You gotta use those paws. Johnny, more. Lift higher. Trying to get you up here. Just you gotta. Johnny, you gotta put some umph in it. Oh, you really gotta get back on that diet.
Ooh, yeah, fish is looking pretty good. I think I can get one of these bad boys. Oh! I just scratched it for the selfie share. Yep, don't mind me.
I'm just gonna have to put this behind the door until you can control yourself.
Trish, I'm sorry.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know why you are supposed to take cover in a tornado? Oh, you don't? Flying debris! Excuse me, sir. Are you aware that socks with sandals are an affront to fashion?
Hey, who is that? Sharon? We talked about this. Alright, this is my shack, so leave me be. And I can... What the hell? Get out of here!
Hey, hey, back up, little baby. Hey, just because you a baby, don't think you won't catch these paws, son. Play too much.
Hell, you want a fucking piece of... You want a piece of me, motherfucker? I'm right here, bitch, and I ain't fucking leaving.
Look at you. What? You're pathetic. I know, it's all the cat's fault. What do I do? It's cuter than you. I know, but I stand a chance. You need to get cuter or kill it. What do you mean kill it? Go in the backyard and bury a hole big enough for the cat and then kill it. Okay.
Hey, yeah. It's 3 a.m. I must be thirsty.
What's it like in there? Is it nice? I mean, it must be nice. You're always in there. I'm gonna give it a shot. You know, you only live once. Here goes nothing. Oh, no. Oh, I hate it. Oh, you like it in there? What are you, a sociopath?
Ha! Missed again. These things are such a scam.
Hey, Dad, I got a joke for you. What's a cat's favorite newspaper? The New York Climbs. I got you.
I need a break! Keep my wife's name out of your motherfuckers in my spot. Wake up and keep my wife's name out of your fucking mouth.
What's up? Look at
this fool right here.
You be talking all this smack, he's not behind this bubble butt.
What are you gonna do?
What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do?
You're a chihuahua in a bubble, fool. Get
You
the
better
fuck
not be out here on my streets, that's it.
I'm a psycho.
What do you want? Come on, I almost got it. Oh, just a little bit farther. Woo! This is a real workout. Come on, yes! Oh, baby!
I love swimming, man. Okay, I'm stuck.
Oh, honey, you're stuck.
Little help here? Thank you. Okay. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Oh, stupid thing.
Hey, Chris, wake up! My food bowl is empty, and we got a serious problem. Also, keep my wife's name out of your fucking mouth.
Calvin, the power of Christ compels you. Terrence. Oh, your demon. Your demon is strong. Can we please not do this today? There's no match for me. La la la.
I wish I could drive this jet ski. It is illegal. A dog can't drive a jet ski, but it would just be our little secret. You and me on a jet ski. Let me drive it. Let me drive it, please.
Did you just call me ugly? We're twins! Oh, I'm sorry. Idiot. Okay, Daryl. I cannot believe your teacher gave you homework over the break. But don't worry, I'll stay up with you till you're done. Who took a dump on my Oh, hey, Charlie. Sorry about that.
So, what is it? I have no idea. Jeremy, any ideas? Should we, sacrifice it? Maybe we'll get some tuna. All in favor for sacrificing in hopes for some tuna? Say meow, 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 meow.
Okay, Diane, I'm just gonna take a quick look inside.
Keep your mouth open nice and wide. Oh, don't crush me, please. Now let's see. Oh, yes, I'm counting 26
cavities. And your gum disease is gonna require a periodontist. Oh, well, you bought me a
house.
Bro, this
is yours. It's a duplex. It ain't no duplex. They bought it for me. No, they didn't. Now get out of my
bedroom. I'm not in your bedroom.
And you're on my side of the property line. Matter of fact, I'm about to put up a wall.
Over my dead body.
So be it. We ain't got no HOA. Yeah, we do, and I just so happen to be the president.